Christian schools across the country are crying foul at new COVID-19 lockdown orders. One Christian school in Kentucky and the state's attorney general are asking the Supreme Court to allow in-person classes at faith-based schools, and 38 U.S. senators have joined them in support. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales reports. Erik?
Well, Tracy, these senators say a troubling series of COVID-19 shutdown orders have trampled the religious rights of Americans across the country. And they say that the actions by the governor of Kentucky regarding religious activity is unconstitutional. So Senator Rand Paul, I spoke with, tells me that he and others want the Supreme Court to step in. Tonight, schools in Kentucky, including private and religious institutions, are closed under COVID-19 orders.
It becomes this slippery slope.
Kentucky Senator Rand Paul says Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear has overstepped the Constitution. Senator Paul and 37 other senators, including senior senator from Kentucky Mitch McConnell, want the Supreme Court to step in.
Their argument basically is that not only do the kids go to school there, but they get religious instruction. That's a form of worship. They're taught about their faith, and they're taught about practicing their faith. And frankly, you can't really separate their school from their faith.
They filed a brief last week asking the court to uphold recent precedent and protect religious schools from having to comply with these broad restrictions. Several groups have filed briefs on both sides of the case, including the American Medical Association, who support the Kentucky governor's restrictions.
We are going to be able to provide meaningful educational experiences, and in person, especially at the beginning of the next semester. We have to take action now, and we've all got to do it at the same time.
But Senator Rand Paul says the Kentucky governor has gone too far.
So something can be advisable, but it cannot be a mandate contravening the First Amendment.
And he points out other areas are not included in the governor's order.
You're going to be in a prolonged time in a bowling alley or a movie theater. The governor did not close them down, but he did close schools down. So he's going to have trouble on the practical argument of scientific evidence supporting his position.
Senator Mike Braun tells me he agrees.
You've let other things go on. That's picking winners and losers, ignoring what's embedded in the Constitution.
Lawmakers say Catholic schools in particular have taken extensive steps to keep children safe, and bishops have said that children have the right to in-person learning because it affects the quality of their education. Tracy?
Okay. Thank you, Erik.